the world where everything is always done by agents all of the time, that's a pretty sad world. So I don't see the world going that way. I think there will be points of differentiation by understanding where humanity and creativity and spontaneity are important.
Do you think then that we'll have to support this kind of dual experience agency where people have to continually support this idea of having web experiences that are optimized both for humans and for agents that may use
Probably. Yeah,
their tools? Reminds me of
probably.
makes me think of it's like I don't remember in the 90s whenever you'd call a main line and you'd call a business and they'd say,
If you want to speak
for
to a
this.
human, press one, right?
Well, it was more like if you want this, press one. If you want this, press two. If you don't have a touch tone phone, hang on the line and someone will get to you shortly. Because,
Yeah.
but it's one of those like, will we have that experience where it's going to be, I go to a site and it's, oh, geez, I have to be a bot to really use this. Or do I have to wait for some other human engagement to pop up? And how long will that experience take?
Yeah.
But that's,
Yeah.
and so, oh, sorry. If you
No,
had
I mean,
anything more
like,
to that.
think about your frustration today when you're stuck in a customer service phone tree,
It's
or you're
exhausting.
chatting with a chatbot that's useless because they don't have the answer. And it serves up 5 answers. Are any of these helpful? No. Here are 5 more. Are these helpful? No, they're getting less helpful, not more helpful. I can't remember who told me this recently, but there was some CEO or CMO that I was talking to who was speaking to, speaking to an audience and said, how many of you would pay extra for customer service that was a live human in your country, in your native language, answering your phone call? And like 80% of the hands shoot up. So that's the beginning of it, right? The beginning of it is it may start with choice. Okay, do you want to have the premium human solution or the automated bot solution?